There you go. It started now.
All right, it's Thanksgiving Day. We're getting ready to put the turkey in. Mr. Vlad is ready. We got our potatoes on the crock pot, ready to go. Looks like, ooh, they look cold still, that slow cooker. These are some awesome looking salsas that I think Jenny is chopping up and putting together.
No, those are just veggies for the ratatouille.
Oh, veggies for the ratatouille. Over here, what are you chopping up? Some basil for the ratatouille?
Yeah.
The basil smells just.
That smells really good. Are you doing homework, Sherry?
I'm ready.
Oh, Sherry is doing work.
I keep going like squirrel.
Working. Working. What are you doing, Jack? He's hanging out, relaxing.
I'm slumming.
And this is what Chris should be doing on his day off.
Yes.
All right, Mom, what are you up to?
I'm innocent.
Mom's hanging
God,
low.
I did all mine.
She's keeping a low profile.
I'm keeping a low profile.
So Vlad, it's time to put the turkey in. It's 11:15.
All right.
The threatening
Turkey, it's coming in.
threatening bodily harm if you don't get that 25-pound bird in the oven to start it cooking. Uh-oh, I think that foil's going to come off. I'm going to have to check that. That's our cranberry bread. That's like an alternative dessert. Here's our outside refrigerator for the weekend. Comes Vlad with the bird.
Bird is the word.
Don't hurt your back.
Oh yeah, that's true. Might want to lower the rack.
Some of these guys are really hard.
Do you want me to get those dishes out of the way?